Pune, the cultural capital of Maharashtra. Oxford as well as Detroit of East. IT hub of India. Kashi of South India. And most importantly, it is refrigeration capital of India, where knowledge brings business. A city with tradition, culture, science. As refrigeration capital of India, Pune has the largest refrigeration and cold chain network of industry leaders and stakeholders. Pioneered in innovations for refrigeration and cold chain industry, Pune has introduced many unique solutions and concepts for green cold chain conclave. With world-class connectivity, Pune is where tradition meets innovation, where knowledge empowers growth and where ideas turn into opportunities. P. Powering cooling innovations. U. Unlocking green horizons. N. Next-gen technology showcase. E. Empowering business. After 8 successful editions of Refcold across India, Pune now hosting the 9th edition for Refcold 2026, which will be South Asia's biggest refrigeration and cold chain exhibition spanning over 6,000 square meters. This landmark event is supported by leading ministries, boards and associations, uniting government, industry, academia and experts. From food, dairy, horticulture, fisheries and poultry to pharmaceuticals and industrial refrigeration, Pune's ecosystem ensures strong participation. Apt and quality visitors from across all parts of India will make Refcold 2026 a truly transformational event having global outreach. This edition introduces Refcold 2026 unique award categories: Startup Zones, B2B Meetings, Dairy Pavilions, Technology Showcase, Retail Cold Chain, and knowledge-driven sessions with global leaders, bringing the future of sustainable refrigeration and cold chain to global market. Pune has always led the way. Now it is ready once more to welcome you home of sustainable refrigeration and cold chain. Welcome to Refcold 2026.